Memorable experience.
Here at Reading. Memorable experience ko here at Reading. Actually, naman araw-araw lang. It's how you deal with people and how they relate to you. Yung environment. Mas memorable for me, hindi yung specific na isang event.
Most important lesson that you have learned during your stay here at Reading.
Patience. Dealing with a lot of people under you, mga subordinates, kailangan ng patience and understanding because iba-iba naman yung takbo ng utak ng iba't ibang tao. So, you can't expect them to think the same way that you do. So, you know, as you move up the ladder, you have to be more patient and more patient.
People who influence your life.
Influence, sabihin ko na lang yung mga pari sa Ateneo. Lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin when I was very, very young, whatever I do, I have to do it well. And that's what I keep doing every day. And so far, hindi naman ako nag-fail.
Okay lang yun. So, ang nakuha ninyo kasi early cut-off pa tayo last time, di ba?